What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today I am going to show you how to rig soft plastic lures. The majority of the artificial lures that I've been working in my vlog videos is just a soft plastic. It's, something along the lines of this gulp right here, this one, matrix shad. And then as far as the jig heads, you can go with something as simple as this, cheaper little round deals, or these ones, they're a lot stronger. The Mustad spring lock jig head. These are a little different. I'll show you how to rig these in another video coming up. But for now, I'm just going to show you how to rig the most basic ones that don't have the twisties on them, and what the important parts about how you rig it up and why you want to make sure to rig it this way. Appreciate you guys watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified of future episodes. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so this works with pretty much so any soft plastic, gulp shrimp. There's many ways to rig the gulp shrimp, and I'll do a video on that, but you can rig those through the head here. Same with pretty much so any soft plastic. Alright, so first off, the weight of these jig heads will change how deep you're fishing or how shallow you're fishing. There's also different styles that when they come down they sit on their head, the round ones, yada yada. We're not getting into that this video. I'm just going to show you how to properly rig them, or at least how I do. Which the goal is here is to have this dead center, okay, and then have it also not bunched up. So in theory, that's where you want it, okay? So what I do is I literally will set it next to it like this, figure out where that is. It's about right there, right? So I just remember approximately where that is. Then come here on the top. This is the flat part. There's a line on here. I don't know if you can see it, but most soft plastics right here in the middle have a line going down them from the forms when they're made. So that I use as a guide. And then I'd start, and you want to go dead center here. Come down, and then I'll grab it, and you just want to feed it on there. This one's a little tricky because it's a narrow one, but the key is keeping this going down the center of the bait like that while you put it on. And then when you get to this point, see the hook tip is where I want it to come through. Right here, let me see if I can show you. See where that point is? So then I make sure that that is lined up with that line, and then poke that through, and then work it on there. See what you don't want, right there's an example of what you don't want. See how that dips down? That means that somewhere in there it didn't follow suit. Now, this may work. It gives you different presentation. When it paddles, it may want to roll or pull left or pull right. So I'm not saying you're not going to catch fish if you don't have this thing perfectly aligned like that. What I am saying is I catch more fish when this is dead center. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work this on here without the camera in between me, and I'm going to show you exactly how this should sit. Alright, so I got all this rigged up. See how that's dead center? And then you got that up on the head. You don't want that like super bunched up like that on the head, you know, because that'll make it act funky. You want it to seat just right. And then that way, it gives it a good fall. I've seen guys hook them upside down, and then in that case, you want to put it right here in the middle. I heard there's benefits to it. I've made fun of people for doing it, and I've tried it, and I mean, I catch fish, but I feel like this will land more fish for you guys. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Do me a favor, give it a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell to be notified so you don't miss any other episodes, and get out there and catch some fish. See you on the next one.